Youth work in Wales gives young people aged 11 to 25 opportunities to learn, express themselves, be involved in the decisions that affect them, and be the best that they can be. Youth work takes place in lots of different places and provides a safe space to support all young people to grow, have a voice, understand their rights, learn, have fun, be with other young people and be a part of the community. It's a plan to tell people about youth work and what the Welsh Government want to happen in Wales in the future. It's important because it affects young people in Wales. It's about young people, for young people, so young people need to know what it says to make sure that they get what they are entitled to. There are 5 aims in the youth work strategy for Wales.
Youth workers can help young people to thrive by listening to them and creating an environment that stimulates their growth, tailored to their needs.
Accessible means you can get to it and it's available for everyone. And then inclusive means it's for everyone, no matter your age, gender, race or sexuality.
Youth workers that know how to communicate with young people. Youth workers who are dedicated to young people and youth work. Youth workers who listen to what we say and give us choices.
We are entitled to the best youth workers who let us relax, are friendly and are down to earth.
Everyone needs to know what youth work is, why it is important and the difference it makes in young people's lives. We need youth work to be noticed.
Youth work should be long, lasting and ensure that all young people have a safe and secure place where they may express their feelings as long as it's needed.
Everybody needs to understand what youth work is for the plan to work, and everybody needs to be responsible for it. Youth workers need to know what they are doing to help young people to get where they want to go. Youth work needs to be available to everyone, and this needs to happen in English and Welsh. We know youth work works to help young people thrive.